Kilo Code versus Cline. Which one is better? So first up, Kilo Code. Kilo Code is designed for speed and simplicity. You can drop it into your workflow and get quick code completions or snippets without heavy setup. It's great for solo devs or anyone who just wants a lightweight AI boost while coding. Now, Cline is different. It's more of an AI agent than just an assistant. Instead of just spitting out snippets, Cline can follow step-by-step instructions, work on tasks inside your environment, and act like a true coding partner. It's more advanced, but also means a steeper learning curve. So here's the quick breakdown. Kilo Code. Fast, lightweight, and easy. Best for quick productivity and smaller coding tasks. Cline is more powerful, agent-like, and capable of handling complex projects, but heavier and sometimes overkill for small projects. If you want something minimal that just helps you code faster, Kilo Code is the best pick. But if you want an AI that can actually act like a teammate and handle bigger workloads, Cline comes out on top. So are you Team Kilo or Team Cline? Let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.